Good morning. So it is 9:17 a.m. We've been on the road for an hour and a half. We have an hour and a half left until we're in Chicago. I didn't really vlog this morning. We were scrambling, okay? Me and Sean are huge procrastinators. All the stuff that we did yesterday, we could have done sometime early in the week to make sure we weren't scrambling at the end. If you ain't scrambling before a trip, then it's not real. That's how I feel. Right now, we're trying to find a rest area, which there was a sign pointing, saying that there's a rest area this way. I don't know where it was pointing because we got here and there's nothing here. I don't even know where we are, but Sean says we're near the Indiana border. We're near a McDonald's, so we technically have options. We're struggling. But listen, we have an hour and 15 minutes left until we're in the city of Chicago. Gas stop restrooms make me nervous, but this one looks nice. Hopefully it's not like around the building. I think that was the worst experience that I've had in a gas station bathroom in my entire life. First of all, monkeypox is going around, so I don't want to be touching everything. Second of all, I ain't got no pockets. Third of all, I had to bring my phone in before you go, why did you have to bring your phone into the bathroom? Girl, in case I fell, bust my head open, I gotta call someone, right? Gotta have my phone. Just in case. I guess problem number 2, besides those problems that I just mentioned, because I can't remember how many there were. This is outside of the bathroom, but as I'm grabbing the paper towels from the back, I dropped my phone. My brand new phone. An unfortunate series of events. We spent an embarrassingly amount of time trying to find that parking garage, at least 30 minutes. What would you say, Sean?
At least 20 minutes.
Sean doesn't want to be a daredevil and set up the camera. Look at that. That's so cool. How you feeling about it? It's pretty cool?
Pretty cool.
Pretty lit. Have you seen enough of it? I've pretty much seen enough of it too. Let's see what's going over there. I think it's like a yoga thing going on. I'm over here trying to get good pictures of Sean and he won't even say Chicago. What'd you say?
I just shook my head and laughed.
So honestly, we don't really have any plans. We're just walking and seeing. We're going to some lakefront trail. Who knows if it's a truly lakefront. What are we doing right now?
We are on the way to the museum. It's all the way down there.
Not that bad of a walk, honestly. The camera makes it look worse. We just walked so far, and we're definitely gonna feel it on the way back because we were 5 minutes away from the hotel. Now we're about 30.
So we gotta walk the 5 minutes, take the elevator up, grab all of our shit, elevator back down, walk all the way to the hotel. And this isn't even including the time we gotta go walk to get our food or walk around the museum.
Yo, I don't know what is going on, but there has to be a game. And it's probably obvious and we're just not picking up on it, but I don't know who's playing, what's playing, where they at, because I didn't know there was a stadium nearby here. Anyway, we're at the Field Museum. We're gonna give it another try. Or is this the Shed Aquarium? Because I got some, what's this? Has to be the museum. Sean did not like this museum last time, so we're gonna see if we can figure this one out. Our first president brought this? First president? Oh, the museum's first president. I thought they meant the president of the United States of America.
its lumpy, deformed shape was probably caused by an injury-related infection. If you
Canceled.
the job,
The Field Museum is canceled again for that. Alright, we went ahead and finished the Field Museum, and now we're on our way to Lou Malnatti. We're on Lou. It sounds like Illuminati, if I'm being honest with you. We called ahead this time because last time when we went to Giordano's, whatever, we had to wait, and it was not a cute little wait, honestly.
It was a cute little wait because you just walked to a fucking park and then they immediately said, oh, it's ready.
Right. So we called ahead. He said, just get here in the next 30 minutes. So that's what we gonna do. Talking about the chicken. Okay. Decent. Alright. He cut the pizza so we couldn't get the cheese. Is it hot? Is it given, like, we made it at home?
Welcome to another day.
Y'all, now we're lost in the damn parking garage. So we had to go up to level 7 to get to 6A, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna eat our stuff and head to the hotel. Okay, we clearly made it to the hotel. Super nice, super comfy. Not feeling the view, but you know what? We got this for a deal.
I like the view.
So we were gonna take a nap time. It's 5:44. We'll probably just lay here till like 8.
So we gotta be there at 8:30.
Yeah, but it's only 3 minutes away. It's a 3-minute walk away.
Oh yeah, it is right across the street, I forgot.
Yeah.